The Pilgrims. In 1620, almost 100 pilgrims left England and founded the colony of Plymouth in New England. Some left because the king would not let them worship the way they wanted. The leaders in England forced others to leave. They sailed on a ship called the Mayflower. The Pilgrims landed in Plymouth, Massachusetts in December 1620. Pilgrims found a cold wilderness with no roads or cities. Pilgrims traveled for months on the ship called the Mayflower. Did you know? The Pilgrims had no homes and little food during their first winter. Many became sick, and almost half of them died. The first Thanksgiving with the Pilgrims. The Pilgrims needed to plant crops in the spring of 1621. The crops would feed their families in their new colony. Native Americans called the Wampanoag lived in this area long before the Pilgrims arrived. The Wampanoag taught the Pilgrims what crops to grow. Pilgrims wanted to give thanks for their harvest. They invited the Native Americans to their feast. Pilgrims thanked God for their harvest by having a feast in 1621. Native Americans taught the Pilgrims what crops to grow. Did you know? The Pilgrims and 90 Native Americans shared the first Thanksgiving feast.